just taping my phone to the wall. Hi, hello. I am in the bathroom. You are with me. That is just the fan thing. Today I'm feeling like a new person. I got a haircut, so you know. So I decided I was going to recreate something that I found it from someone else, but I don't know where the original's at. Like, I don't know who to give credit to. So if you find out who to give credit to, let me know. That being said, follow me on all my social media. Link down below. I can use your follows. Create this. Remember that point in time in like 2015 where everyone was doing pop art cartoon makeup? I don't know who did it first. I don't know who to give credit to. I feel like we start with our eyebrows because like when you do stuff, you always typically start with your eyebrows. Do you not? No. So now we're gonna actually like draw on them. Oh, this is not good. This is not sister appropriate. Now that we're here, eyebrows are cool. We're gonna move on to the nose, kind of. Back to the eyebrows to add like the yeah, there we go. We're gonna just do 3 lines with it, you know? This is like my initiation into the beauty community, right? Okay. I got it in my nose and that's not what you want. It looks cooler on camera than in person, I'll tell you a lot. You're probably at home thinking, this is not a tutorial. You have to, we're gonna color our entire top lip in this. I'll do our whole top lip in this. And then, boom. These are not even. And also, my birthday is this Sunday, August 4th. So now we're gonna, you know, do the little lip lines here, like. See? Okay, so let me tell you this story. I went out to eat with my friends for one of our friends' birthday. You scared when you open the door. So we were there, we're eating and we're chilling. So all week I'm checking my accounts, make sure I have at least $20 because I know, like, you know, whatever, it's gonna be at least about $20 worth. So before I leave, I check my account again and it says $20. Okay? So now it's time to pay, right? And they're like, okay, well, here's like your checks, whatever, figure out like how you're gonna break it up and whatever. I'm feeling confident, I'm feeling cocky, I'm swiping my card over across the table, like. So my friend Michaela, she looks at me and she's like, she's like, you got it? Like, you know, like asking like, oh, you got it? You need to pay for you? Like, are you good? And I'm just, again, because I checked my account before we left, I had $20 in. And so I'm just like, I'm chilling. So I checked my account because she reminded me like, hey, are you good? And I was like, you know what? Let's check. I log into my account there at the table. And when I tell you that my phone said I had $8.50, which is annoying because like, I checked before I left, I had 20 all week. I said, okay, I have $20. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna be able to eat. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna be with my friends for the first time we haven't seen each other like a month. And I said $8.50. So I'm looking at it, like everything, like all the transactions. I'm like, there's no way I have $8.50 because I checked. I counted. I did all the calculations myself, and I should have $20. And all I'm getting is it saying like, oh, Sonic finally took the money that was pending 3 days ago. So I had Sonic 3 days before. They never took the money out of my account until now. They had 3 entire days, 3 business days at that, I think, to take the money out of my account, and they did no such thing until I was there. Thanks, there's more. So I'm upset. My friend pays for it, and I'm just like, okay, that was embarrassing. And so I get home and tell my mom about it. I'm like, yo, what happened? Everyone's like, oh, well, sometimes, yeah, the bank won't give them the money or something. Something about pending transactions, which is fucking bullshit. Like, I think bank shouldn't be, that's weird, 100%. Bank shouldn't be able to do that. Because like, if you just take the money now. A day passes and I go to check my account again. So I'm just like, okay, I don't know where the money went. I don't know how that happened. Something about it doesn't make sense. So I open my account and it now says that I have $17.50. Oh, where did this come from? So I text my mom, I'm like, did you put money in my account? She's like, no. How did I go from $20 to $8 to $17? Something doesn't make sense. So I go back into my transactions and everything's the same. So what it looks like happened is that the app messed up, or like maybe there was a pending charge, but they were like, okay, just in case the money does get taken out later, we're just gonna drop you down to $8 to spend just in case you don't like overdraft, like the safety feature maybe. It was just embarrassing. Can you understand how embarrassing that would be? To be there, you're at the table flossing. Like, no, I can pay for myself. Girl, I got this shit. I got this. I'm cool. Slide the check over. Slide the fucking card over. And my friend Michaela, she slides with shit. I was like, whoa, I have $8. And she said the card. She was like, there are 2 showers, and you insist on getting in this one. Well, I'm here now, and I can't take a break. Yeah, there's still eye stuff to do. So I'll just move on to that then, I guess. No. Anyway,
I was in the middle of something.
Sure. So now we're gonna take the white and do your under eye. Look, his pencil poison.
As you don't have your contacts in?
I do. I didn't take them out.
So you took a shower with contacts in?
Yeah, you can do that. So I got it on my eyelashes, which it's not like, you know, something. Well, it's not the end of the world, but it's not something I recommend.
Wait, why would you do that anyway?
Because it makes it look bigger.
Yeah, just get.
So on camera that looks even. No, it doesn't. That's false. This eye looks way thicker, and this one's watering. So hold on. Because no.
Why not?
Yeah, he's still here. I'm like, no,
Shut up.
no. You need your last haul. I think not. I really wish you would leave me alone.
I think you're done, so I'm going to my towel now.
I'm not done. You think I'm not done? I have a lot to do.
So you should go and do your other thing in the other bathroom. Or you wait, take a break, and come back. The phone's not going anywhere. Clearly.
But you take long showers.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You take forever showers. You take showers just as long as I do, if not longer. Yo, this is so cool for this. And oh, oh yeah, now you gotta outline your face. Just touch. So yeah, well, like I'm a haircut, so now it doesn't make sense, but all that should be like blocked out. Yeah, just follow your hairline if you have one. If you have a fake one, you know what I'm doing. See, that looks not the same. Also, if you don't tell me happy birthday in the comments, you're fake. I kind of want to make like a triangle or something, you know, to give yourself like a chin or whatever. So I won't turn to the side anymore. We should spice this up with like some colors of sorts. But now you gotta take your Fenty, well, whatever lip gloss thing you have. I just still haven't had this one. Shiny. So I don't actually have like a blush or anything, so I feel like just doing this works. Go back with black just to go back over your cheek definition line. This is my desperate attempt at blending anything. Because I don't have a highlighter, I'll use this. And like, okay, I don't need that much. Yeah, I'm a genius. I'm a madman genius. I'm gonna go overboard with this, and it's gonna like ruin it. Yes, love. I'm dropping out of college to be a full-time makeup artist. I feel like this is it. Like this is the look. This thing by Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna just like take this thing and do that cool inner corner I think like all beauty gurus do. I'm done. I think this is what it looks like. This is what I did last time. If you learned anything, thumbs up. If you learned nothing and realize that, hey, there's a million other videos I could watch that would be more like informational than this one, still, so I lied. And again, remember how I said I would ruin it somehow? Well, I decided to go with the white, add these freckles, and it looks more deer-like. But this is what I did. Again, this is pretty sweet, I think.